Good afternoon, everybody, and option traders. That's what we specialize in. I'm covering GOOGL on a weekly chart. And basically, the thing that I'm going to tell everyone right now is what these weekly moving averages are. And you need to understand that Google got slammed and did it ever. And there was a ton of money to be made on the put side. Well, here, the blue line is a 10 week. This red line is a 20 week. This blue, darker blue, that's a 40 week. This rising weekly moving average, the white line, that's a 50-week simple moving average on Google. And basically, what we're going to say is this is the wall of resistance and that we're looking at buying the puts on Google because this was the low that we would not break. And this is a weekly chart. Now, when I go to Google here and we take a look at the daily view of, oops, I'm sorry, hold on one second. Here we have on GOOGL, we have a daily chart. What I do want to point out to all of our traders around the world that we do have, and everyone that loves to follow us, on our YouTube channel, and you know, we're the biggest. We have over 9,600 live trades, and no one is transparent as we are. So basically, when Google got slammed over here on the earnings, and this upper trend line is resistance right now, 100-day simple moving average 738.26. That's the baseline. We got a 50 simple day moving average at 745.27, which is going to be that resistance line. Another thing that we're going to show you retail people. And remember, you can get out of your retail environment. Just come and take the free 5-day trial. All right, so in their world, what we have is a sell signal on what they call a MACD. Our decisions aren't made on public indicators, but rather in our MMT platform, which always tells, and it's pure mathematical high frequency trading technologies. And we are turbo option traders here and now. And basically, that you can see where the resistance is going to be. And right now, I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to pull up. It's right here, right now. Okay. This is a $740 put option, and I'm going to show you a put option chart that you haven't seen before. But you love to trade options and you don't even know what you're doing. You have nothing to go by. Why are you trading options? For what? To gamble? Do you like the rush? What is it that you like? Right here, we are market makers. This put option 5 days ago was at $29, and that was the 740 put that was in the money right here on Google. When Google hit resistance, we have taken this contract down 1 day, 2 days, so there's a 5-day reversal. This is total deflated 740 put on Google that we are going to trade and we are going to make a lot of money. There is this 740 put. I'm going to be happy enough to throw in the 737 put on the chart, which is down here and it's dirt cheap. I will put it in the level 2 right here on the put side of Google. They were $8. They got marked down to $3. Depending on which way the gap goes, is we may end up owning this at 60 cents. And of course, we would do that. Just remember, people, I said it before the fact. Now, depending on the gap, I'm coming to a 745 put. It's in the money. And when I say in the money, it is in the money. And yesterday at 29.8, look at today. Today's low was $8.99 per contract. But just let me tell you something up front. We are going to be buyers of this tomorrow, and we're going to try to get a good bid in there around 460 or lower. Just depends on what Google does, and that's a 745 put. Now, we're going to go back over here, and what we're going to show is we're going to show a 740 call. And I'm going to show you a 740 call chart. And this is it right here. And so these were 25 cents. And that was time to be in it. If you had 100 contracts for $2,500, you're cashing in $20,000 trade. And that is the end of the story. The end of the story is a 740 call chart for you people who trade options. We are masters. We are turbo option traders. And let me tell you something. You know what I'm talking about. You don't even know how to use a call or put chart. You don't even have the information. But guess what? You want to trade options? Well, these were a perfect entry at 25 cents. That is the 740 call. And today's high is $4.63. And I'm telling you, we do this before the fact. This is not some freak show. This isn't somebody speculating. This isn't any of that. And one of the things that I will throw in here, I'm going to throw in another chart. All right, here we go. I'm going to hit the MMT Market Maker application 15-minute chart on Google. You can see them diamonds. Look, we just populated everything. And basically, for the call side today, Google started out with a breakout. Yesterday, the markets went straight up. Google went straight up. But Google, now this is our 15-minute chart, and this is where our decisions are made. And they are. And so when we take a look at where the tops are here, that was that wall of resistance. And mathematically, a delta, 1/8 delta is 91 cents, each one of these trend lines. And this is how accurate it is. It's to the penny. This is a pure market maker application. The public will never see this unless they're here. And we really mean that. And we're right to the penny at resistance mathematically. We come down here, so that's a 1, 2, that's a 3 teeny script times 90 cents. And that's how accurate it is. You can't deny it. The only thing that you can deny is what you do and why you deserve to be here with turbooptiontrading.com. And so I wanted to put that 15-minute chart in here with the MMT platform. I'm going to conclude the fact that on a daily chart that Google has resistance and that these particular options that we were looking at were 25 cents and we had a call chart, 740 call chart. So let's go back to the 740 call chart, and right here is a 740 call chart. They were 25 cents and it was a great buy. And the high was 453. Listen, that's what a market maker does. And you had 50 contracts for a lousy 25 cents. That's just barely over $1,000. And look at what you're making. Damn near 20. You're making 20 grand. The results speak for themselves.